I'm Alex from WTI. What can you do with 5 pounds of beads? A lot. Let me show you. This bag of beads from the Beadery has a massive amount of variety. And we're talking a variety in colors, in shapes, in sizes. Some are shiny, some are matte, some have glitter, some don't. Some are shaped like animals. It's amazing. You could use these beads for so many different craft projects. The first one that comes to my mind was to make bracelets. This bag of beads would be perfect for a party or a classroom. That's just because there's just so many beads. There'd be enough beads for everyone. It's great for getting kids to show their creative side, or adults too. They're easy to work with, and there's lots of beads with larger holes, so even younger ones who are still working on their hand and eye coordination would enjoy making something with the beads as well. Or maybe you're someone who likes to sort things. Some people find that's very relaxing. This would be quite the enjoyable challenge, let me tell you. For the amount of beads you get in this bag that's bigger than my head, it is insane value. There's just so much variety in this bag. This bag would be a great addition to your crafting supplies. They would help out with so many different craft projects. Definitely get yourself a big bag of these, and that's my point of view.